Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install Hulu app on your TCL Smart TV. So to install the Hulu app, all you have to do is you can simply go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store you can go to search bar and search for Hulu. And the Hulu app is going to show up, and you can click on the install button to install Hulu. So once the app is installed, you can also update the application by following the same process. If it is already installed and not updated, you can simply repeat the process, go to the Play Store and search for Hulu, and if any update is available, it will show up right here. So this is how you install Hulu app. If you want to use it, you can simply open the application to use it. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.